Hello students, today we are going to study chapter 11. You know what is the name of the chapter? Graph. Once more, what is the name of the chapter? Graph. All of you open your book, page number 177. 177 and exercise 11.1. In 4th class you studied graph, pictograph, bar graph. Same like here also first we are going to study about pictograph. You know the word pictograph means what? Picture. Pictograph means the picture is showing. From the pictures we have to find out the answers. Very easy. Already you learned from the which class? 4th class. Pictograph using the pictures or any symbols. From the symbols we have to find out the answers. It is very easy to understand or when the pictures are given. Pictograph represent using the picture or symbols. It is called a pictograph. In each pictograph it will give one scale. That means what? One symbol or picture represents how many items. Here this first question, it is the symbol of books. Here one picture shows how many books? 50 books. From your copy or books, we cannot able to draw the 50 books, 100 books like that. So easy way, it will give one scale. Scale means one picture or symbol represents how many items. In this first question, this one picture, it is the book symbol. One symbol means how many books, students? 50 books. So look here, number of books sold on different days of the week. This pictograph, there are 5 days are given. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And some books are sold. Monday, how many pictures are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One picture means how many books? 50. So this 6 multiplied by 50, you will get 300. Otherwise, you can calculate 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books only. Not the 6 books, 5 books. So 5 into 50, that means 250. Now 1, 2, 3. So how to find out? 3 multiplied by 50. 3 5s are 15, add the 0. Otherwise 50, 100, 150. I think easy method by multiplication. Now on Wednesday, how many books sold? 1, 2. Only just count the pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 multiplied by 50. 7 5s are 35. 35, then you should add the 0. On Wednesday, how many books sold? 350. Now Thursday, 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 50 is equal to 150. Now see the Friday, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 multiplied by 50. 4 5s are 20, add the 0. Understood now students, how you got? First, from the question you have to find out how many books were sold in each days. Now, see the question. There are in your open your book. There are 4 questions are written. First question: on which day maximum number of books sold? Maximum means what? Highest number of books. On Monday 250, Tuesday 150. Wednesday 350, Friday 150, Thursday 150, Friday 200. Can you say which day? Maximum. Maximum means highest. सबसे ज़्यादा. In which day maximum number of books sold? Wednesday. You should write only the answer. Wednesday. Wednesday. Can you say Wednesday how many books were sold? Wednesday bracket you can write 350 books were sold. Wednesday question. On which 2 days the same number of books sold? Once more the meaning is on which 2 days same number of books were sold. See this pictograph table. Monday 250, Tuesday 150, 350, here also 150, here and 150, here and 150. Same number of books on which day? Tuesday and Thursday. You should write down the answer. Tuesday and Thursday. Tuesday and Thursday. Understood how you got the answer? This is the first one answer. This is the second one answer. Can you say how many number of books were sold? You can write down the bracket 150. This one is not asking, but you can write down. Why? Because very easy you can understand. Tuesday and Thursday 150 books were sold. Pictograph means seeing the picture and you have to write down the answer. First you should write the numbers, then easy way you can write down the answer. Now see the third question. How many more books were sold Monday than Tuesday? Monday how many books were sold? 250. And Tuesday 150. Monday number of books 250, Tuesday 150. Which day is more books sold? Tuesday. Sorry, Monday. How many more books? How to find out? You should subtract both. Then third one answer 250 minus, teacher is writing the answer here, minus 150 is equal to 100. How many more books sold on Monday? 100. How you got 100? Both we have to minus. Monday 250 and Tuesday 150. Now see the last question. Total number of books sold on these 5 days. 5 days total means we have to plus this all. You can add this way, otherwise you can add rough or you can write. Look here, 250 Monday, Tuesday 150 plus 350, then plus 150, then last it is 200. You should, what you have to do, total means you have to add this all the numbers and you have to write down the answer. Now look here, how to write down the answers is equal to, first it is 0, 5 plus 5 10, 15 and 20, again carry 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11. Total how many books were sold? 1100 books. Total 1100 books were sold in these 5 days. By seeing the pictograph, first you should see the scale. What is it is called? The scale. What do you mean by scale? Scale means one picture represents or shows how many items. It is called scale. From the scale you should write down the answers. 250, 150, 350, 150 and 200. Then you should add this one. Now see the students. See the question number B. The pictograph is given and see the scale. What is scale? This picture shows how many children? 20 children. And pictograph, always I told you, without scale we cannot draw the pictograph or we cannot write down the answer. And first one I show it, only 2 questions are there in the exercise. This is the big question. TV program enjoyed by the children. And how many TV items are given? Cartoon, comedy, sports and knowledge. One picture represents how many children? 20. Now look here, first I told you already you have to write down here numbers, then easy way you can write down the answers. First one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how to find out the number? 5 multiplied by 20. 5 into 20, 100. And see the second one. Comedy. 1, 2, 3. So 3 multiplied by 20 is equal to 60. Now third one. Sports. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 multiplied by 20. 6 twelves are 6 twos are 12. Then you should add the 0. 120. Now knowledge. 1, 2, 3, 4. And see this symbol. How to find out? One big symbol represents the 20 children. So half of this one, 20 half, what which number? 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 full. 4 into 20 is equal to 80, plus the small symbol represents how many children? 20. How we know it is 20? Because half of 20 is 10. So you should add here 10. That means total 90 children. Like which program? Knowledge based program. Once more, one big symbol represents 20 children. 20 half. This is big one. So small symbol means 10 children. So 20, 40, 60, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. Then can you add this all? Then we'll get total number of children. Look here. 0. Then 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Total how many children? 370 children. We have to find out. Some questions are given. Seeing this pictograph, and we have to write down the answer. See the first question. How many children the symbol, small symbol represents? Already I told you in knowledge based program, small symbol represents, we know how many children? 10. You should answer only 10 children. What is the first one answer? 10 children. How you got 10? Once more, the small symbol represents 20. It is given in the question, then half of 20, 10 children. Now see the second question. What is the most popular TV program? How many children watch it? There are two questions are there. How to find out which is the most popular TV program? You should see the number 100, 60, 120, 90. Which is the largest number? 120. So which program? Sports. So which is the most popular TV program? Sports. You should write down the answer. Sports. Then how many children like it? Can you say how many children like it? Yes, you can write down the answer. 120 children like it. You should write 120 children. Most popular TV program is sports, and how many children like it? 120 children. See the third question. Which is the least popular program? Most opposite. Least. Least means very less. See the number 100, 60, 120, 90. Which is the smallest number? 60. Which is the least popular program? Comedy. So you should write down the answer. Least means once more. Least means very less. So you should write the answer. Comedy. And there did not ask how many children like it. So anyway you can write down in the bracket how many children like it. Bracket you can write 60 children like it. 60 children. Now see the fourth question. Total how many questions are there? 6 questions. All questions seeing this pictograph, and you should write down the answer. See the first question. How many children like to watch knowledge based program? See where is very easy knowledge based program. How many children like it? 90. That's why I told you before writing the answers, first you should write down the numbers. Then easy way you can write down the answers. How many children like to watch TV? Knowledge based program? 90. So you should write down the answer. 90 children. 90 children. Now see the fifth question. What is the total number of children? Already you added. What is the total number of children who surveyed? 370. How you got 370? Each program, first one cartoon, sports, comedy, sports, knowledge. This all if you will add, you will get the number 370. So question is, what is the total number of children surveyed? So 100 plus 120 plus, then next number is 60 plus 100, 60, 120 plus 90. If you are adding these all numbers, you know already it is number is 370. What is the total number of children? 370. Now see the last question. What is the total number of children who like comedy and knowledge? Comedy, how many children like? 60 plus knowledge based program, how many students? 90. So 60 plus 90, 150 children. 150 children like which program? Comedy and knowledge based. Easy now pictograph, only 2 questions. Okay students, then to next exercise we will start in the next class. Okay, bye. Thank you.